In Nigeria, we love so much drama, from roadside arguments to Twitter fights. Someone always says something like, I'm going to sue you, I'm going to deal with you. But do you know that some of these phrases can actually put you in legal trouble? You had no idea, that is what we're going to be talking about today. I'm going to be breaking down some common Nigerian phrases and how they relate to the law, and I'm also going to be showing you how they can lead you to legal problems. Let's get right into the video.
I'm going to deal with you. I'm going to show you Pepe. I'm going to show you Shaggy.
Now, this particular phrase is a classic during heated arguments, but under the law, it can be interpreted as a criminal threat. Yes, depending on the context though, but yes, it can be seen as a criminal threat. Section 36 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria protects the right to personal liberty and security, meaning that threats, even the verbal ones, can actually infringe on the person's rights if they feel endangered. Section 86 to 88 of the Criminal Code Act specifically criminalizes threat of harm, whether or not it was carried out. So, the next time you feel tempted to actually tell someone, I'm going to deal with you, you better think twice, because that might be your village people wanting to see you go to jail.
I'm going to sue you. I will sue you to court. I will sue you. I'm going to sue.
To this particular phrase, it is like confetti thrown around in Nigeria. But do you know what it actually takes to take a person to court? Do you know what it takes to sue someone to court? You think it is as easy and cheap as it sounds? No, now. Section 36, subsection 6, paragraph B of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria gives the court the power to adjudicate disputes. However, frivolous lawsuits can actually waste the court's time, and this can result to penalties due to your business case. You must show reasonable cause of action before suing someone. So you have to ask yourself, what am I suing this person for? So, the next time you feel like shouting, I'm going to sue you to court, I'm going to sue you, you have to ask yourself, do I have a case? Am I ready for this wahala? Ask yourself.
I want to live soft life, no stress. I beg.
That man is a thief. That man is a murderer. That woman stole your yam. That woman stole your goods.
Careful. Accusing someone of being a thief or a murderer, especially without evidence, can lead to defamation lawsuits. Section 37 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria protects a person's right to privacy and dignity, and also a person's reputation. Under the Defamation Act and common law, false statements that can actually ruin a person's reputation are punishable. You could be sued for damages or even face criminal defamation under Section 375 of the Criminal Code Act. So what's the moral of the story? Don't accuse a person of being a thief or a murderer unless you are ready to go and prove it in court. Please, I'm begging you. Don't go and be accusing somebody wrongly unless you're going to see where. The law will show you where. If you don't know the meaning of where, that's your business.
Shut up, you! Shut up!
You can't do anything to me. There is nothing you are going to do to me.
This particular phrase sounds very harmless. It can be very tricky, but you'll be surprised, very surprised to actually realize that it can escalate to conflict and can actually lead to accusations of provocation or harassment. Section 34, subsection 1, paragraph A of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Under this section, every individual has the right to dignity. So, repeated or provocative statement like this can actually violate the rights that was stated in Section 34, subsection 1, paragraph A of the 1999 Constitution, especially if they incite anger or lead to physical confrontation. For example, if you block a person's car and refuse to move, you could be liable for provocation, harassment, or public nuisance, according to Section 249 of the Criminal Code Act. So next time, before you start shouting, you can't do anything to me, maybe you should just calm down and move on. because trust me, your ego is not worth a court case at all.
I don't care. I don't give a shit. I don't give a F.
This might not seem like an issue, or this phrase might not seem like there's any big deal with it until it actually involves neglect of responsibility. Negligence is actionable under the law. For example, if a landlord says I don't care to a tenant that came to report about a leaking roof, or similarly, employers who don't care about the safety of their workers may actually violate Section 17, subsection 3, paragraph C of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. In negligence, there are three things you must actually prove to the court as a claimant. When I say claimant, I mean you are the complainant, you are the one bringing a person to court, you are the one suing someone to court. There are three things you must prove to the court according to the case of Donogu against Stevenson. 1. Duty of care. You have to prove to the court that this person that you are bringing to the court, or this person that you are suing to court, owes you a duty of care. 2. Breach of duty. Now, after you've been able to establish that there is a duty of care, you must also now prove to the court that this person ignored their duty to you. Number 3, damages or causation. After you've been able to prove that there's a duty of care and there's a breach of duty of care, you have to prove to the court that this breach of duty of care affected you directly. It caused you harm, it caused you injury before you can actually succeed in a case of negligence. Before you go and tell someone, I don't care, there's somebody that you're going to meet eventually that will make you care in the court of law. Yes.
Oh my God!
Let's be for real, we all have that one person that likes to say one or two of these phrases I have mentioned earlier. Please hold your ears when I tell you this. Do not be that person. What did I say? Do not be that person at all. So next time you find yourself in an argument, please think twice before saying anything, because remember, the words have power and the law is listening. The law is not your mate. The law is not your mate. I repeat, the law is not your mate. So we've gotten to the end of this video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. I repeated myself again, yeah, I know, because I really appreciate you guys. Please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more legal content. See you guys in my next video. Ciao.